Using Capcut PC offline is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Capcut PC offline. In order to do that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google and I'm going to search for Capcut. After searching for Capcut, I'll go to this website, which is capcut.com. Now, Capcut is a video editor which lets you edit videos easily. So there's an online version of the Capcut as well, which you can easily access on your browser. As you guys can see, you just simply have to click on create new video and you'll be able to do that. But I'm going to teach you how you guys can use this offline. So in order to use it offline, you simply have to click on your profile. After clicking on your profile, you simply have to sign up. After signing out, you will be at the Capcut's website, and there you will easily be able to download it. So I'm just going to remove this login section and I'll go to the simple Capcut. And as you guys can see, it has a version for Windows. So you just need to click on download for Windows, and it will be downloaded on your computer, which you will easily be able to use afterwards. Just put in your videos and edit it. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.